Hi, let's look at this question together. Annie baked some cookies to sell. 7 of them were vanilla cookies and the rest were chocolate cookies. After she sold 3/4 of her vanilla cookies and 45 chocolate cookies, she had 2/5 of cookie left. How many cookies did she sell? Okay, I'm going to show you the step by step. Okay, how do I actually do it? As usual, you can skip some of the steps if you are solving it for the exam itself, but I'm going to show it to you so that you understand how I actually do it and how I draw the model. So the question says she baked some cookie to sell, so I just draw a long line to say represent total she baked some cookies. I know 7 of them are vanilla cookies, so I draw 5 unit and I label it as vanilla. Okay, the rest are chocolate cookie. So if 7, this has to be 2 unit and this has to be chocolate cookies. That's all I know. Okay. Next, after she sold 3/4 of her vanilla cookies and 45 chocolate cookies. So now the problem is she sold 3/4 of the vanilla cookies, which means that I need to divide this one into 4 parts. The question is, I don't want to work with 2.5, or 1.25 and so on. Okay, so I prefer to work with whole number. So what I do is I find 5 and 4 and look for their LCM, lowest common multiple, which is 20. So I take 5 times 4, 20. I take 2 times 4 will give me 8. So now I convert this bar to here. So now total, she will have 28 units of cookies. Okay, and out of which 3/4 of a vanilla cookie was sold. So 3/4, 15. She sell it, so she left with 5, 1/4 of it. And she sold 45 chocolate cookies, so I just say it's 45. I do not know how many remain, so I just leave it as a blank. Okay, but the important thing is I know that she had 2/5 of her cookie left. So if the total is divided into 5 parts, this is 2 parts, this has to be 3 parts. Okay, so with the model, straight away we can see, even through observation, I can see that 3t is equal to 15u plus 45. Why I do not say that 2t is equal to 5u plus? Because I don't know what it is. So to me, this part of the information is not there, so this part is quite useless to me at this stage. But rather, I know that 3t is equal to 15u plus 45. So I say 3t is equal to 15u plus 45. T must be equal to 5u plus 15. Simply divide everything by 3. Okay? Next, I also know that, okay, this whole thing add up is 3t and 2t, so total is 5t. So if I know that t is equal to 5u plus 15, 5t will be equal to 25 plus 75. I simply multiply everything by 5. Okay, so now I know this whole thing is 25u plus 75. But the top bar tells me that the whole bar is also equal to 28u. So now I can say 25u plus 75 is equal to 28u. So 3u is equal to 75 and u is 25. Okay. So how many cookies did she sold? Okay, she sold 15u plus 45. So 15u plus 45. 15u times 25 because u is 25 plus 45. So total is 420 cookies. Okay, I hope I have shown you the step by step and my thoughts behind of how I actually draw the model and how I derive the answer. Thank you.